Starter studio. As of today, no fee for an immediate move-in. It's got dishwasher, gas stove, microwave and fridge. Not much counter space, but recessed lighting and decent cabinetry. Good sized deep closet here with double overhead storage. Interior view, so not a lot of natural light, but it is a windowed bathroom that gets great natural light in here. And you have another closet area as you enter the foyer of the apartment for coats and luggage and things of that nature. These usually always have a 15% of the first year's rent broker fee attached. For this week, for immediate move-ins, the landlord is giving a month's rent to brokers, so it's a no-fee deal. Elevator building, laundry, 2 blocks from the E train at Lexington and 53rd Street in Midtown.